What's going on, everybody? I hope everyone's having an amazing day or night, depending on when you are watching this. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I want to show everyone my ups and downs of business. So whether you are just starting a business or you have a business and you just want to be entertained, that is what I do. And I also make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month in revenue. So today we're going to be doing customer orders just right off the bat this morning after I get my coffee. So we'll do that first. And then we'll try to be done with the day fairly early. I do have that new printer, so I kind of want to make a challenge of just how quick I can get these orders out to see if I can scale with this printer. So let's go get that done. Let's go get that coffee going though. I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh yeah, baby. Cheers. All right, guys, so I just got my laminate in. I am making some Coastal Cowboy stickers right now. These are mid-grade, and it's also with the really bad laminate. So I'm making some new laminate ones. This one's taking a little bit longer because I'm doing high quality on the blacks. That's printing out. I'm gonna go cut some of this up, so let's do a time lapse on that right now. All right, so I'm running into my first problem with this new laminate. As you can see, it wrinkles super easy. I mean, it is paper thin. So the last laminate I used, not the crappy one, but the one that I had before that, that was a 3 millimeter or 3 centimeter, I don't know, 3 meter, I think. 3 millimeter in thickness. This is 2.5, okay? So it's a little bit thinner, and so yeah, I'm running into a little bit of a wrinkle issue here. I'm thinking about using my laminate roller and seeing if that helps. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, look at these. They actually look really good. They're thin, but they're good quality. Yeah. All right, so if you guys are interested, I will have my hats in the bio, link in bio. It's gonna be Coastal Cowboy. You'll see it, it's in the link in the Beacons bio. So I'm gonna have these, and I'm also gonna have decals made. These are promotional, but I might actually just put these up on the website too. So if you wanna support at all, there's decals on there if you don't want to spend too much money. These are $35. The decals start at $10. So if you guys are interested, link in bio. Thank you. Also, I have 3 more colors coming right now, or 2 more colors coming right now. I have the gold, I have the green, I have the brown now that's coming, and I have navy that's coming. So we got 4 different style color hats. So if you guys are interested and you're not ready to purchase, subscribe to my email list on Coastal Cowboy, and I'll let you know when they drop. Here is my option right now of how to laminate. So I put the laminate over the top. I cut a little piece of the paper off on the backing paper. So there is a little bit of laminate on here now. And then I'm gonna put it through this laminate roller that I had for my commercial printer. And as it's going through, I'm gonna peel back the backing paper. At least that's just the idea. I just tried it, it worked, but it's kind of time consuming, so I don't know how long I'm gonna do this for. But for my motion stickers, we're just gonna do this for now and figure it out as we go. All right, so it worked, but it just takes a long time. But I don't know if you can see the sheen on there. Where am I going? There you go. No wrinkles. So, yep, that's it. All right, guys, so this is the end of the video. I got some stickers here. I got a couple more coming out of there, but I got to go to my parents' house. I'm watching the house, so I'm gonna be on and off throughout the week and weekend. So I got to go over there. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting off with eBay, we made $34.90 yesterday. We made $256.73 yesterday, but today is looking pretty bright at $381, but at a total of $291. So now we are finally at $9,000 mark. But if you guys are interested in watching what happens tomorrow, which is today, because I'm already at 381, subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. And then also, if you could give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, because it helps other people find my videos as well that are like you and I. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.